But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm, and peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people, not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. And we'll continue to do so until we get victory.
Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act says I cannot be tried in Nigeria. That's the law of Nigeria. I can never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. That's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. Not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person. Is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial. Is not done anywhere in the world. I have it in my case. Nobody has, there's no exception. No exception whatsoever. That's what the law says. Section 12 of the Constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You never stand. Not with me. I believe in justice and fairness, that's all.
Nigeria signed to extradite, not to...
The IPOP family has come out to say that, allegedly come out to say that the government spent over 800 million whenever the government bring Nnamdi Kanu to court. What can you say? Is this not wasting of funds? That's if it's true?
It's wasting of funds, yeah. It's wasting of funds because anything they spend on Nnamdi Kanu's head is akara money, na chin-chin. One is that if they like, they should spend trillion. Nnamdi Kanu is the man of the town. He's my role model. I love him. If they like, they should incarcerate him from now till time immemorial. Time shall tell. The guy is gonna come out unscathed and unhurt. Nobody should bring him to justice because justice in Nigeria has K-leg. Nigeria has a limping justice. A justice with K-leg. Because all the judges compromised. The courts, I love them. See, let me tell you, the judge that freed Nnamdi Kanu was Binta Nyako. The woman, or a man, I think he's a woman, he doesn't know what to do anymore. He frees somebody, they appeal again, because they don't want Igbos to go. They want Fulani Hausa to be dragging us back. Fulani and Hausa, dragging us back. When Igbo man won't move, Fulani and Hausa, they will be dragging us back. Because what they hate is forward. They always move forward. That's why the children of that region are poorly educated. They build mosques everywhere in the north. Mosque. Can mosque give you education? Can mosque train your children in the university? Can mosque send you to England to read? See, let me tell you, Nnamdi Kanu is our man from here Nigeria to America. I love him. You see, Biafra is my dream, and I want to tell you that I'm a Biafra man. That dream started more than 15th century. We fought with British our colonial master, to allow the Igbo, the Hebrew to go under James Bialy, and Igbo British. Are you listening to me? Britain fought us. We did not get Biafra. Ojukwu started his own. He fought and fought. He did not get Biafra. Now, this young man was born in 1967. Imagine when the war, Nigerian Biafra war broke out. And see what the young boy is doing. Nigeria is not ashamed of themselves. Nigeria is not ashamed. Nigeria is supposed to allow a young boy to go continue his normal business of agitation. You can't force me to be with you. If I want to be with you, I will. If I say I don't, you leave me to go. I'm seeking for his release. I've been speaking as well on social media that they should release this young man. He has not done anything wrong. Thank you so much.
And sorry, lastly, President Tinubu has come out to say that for the Naira gain to be sustained, that Nigeria should buy local made product but don't you see this statement as hypocrisy? Because these are the same set of people that will go to France for medical checkup. That even when the senator wanted to get vehicles for themselves recently, when Tinubu came in as president, they went
outside and buy. My brother, do you think I will support Tinubu? I don't support anything that comes out from it. That's hypocritical statement. so nonchalant, an impostor. If he want to treat himself, he should go to Eko Meridian Hospital. Eneli Kuku Obiora Hospital. I'm telling you, Eneli Kuku Obiora, he should go to his hospital. Why running it to UK, France for medication? Why not use Adazi Hospital in Muchi, Idiodo? See, let me tell you, the hypocrisy of all these wicked Nigerian leaders have been detected. It could no longer hide from us. They are all hypocrites, from local government chairman to the Mr. President. All of them, they are deceiving Nigerians. What I expected Nigerians to come out en mass when he stole Obi's mandate, that was last year. Everybody, 230 million people, come out. How many blood are they going to spend? How many people, how many men and women are they going to kill? Let's come out and chase these vagabonds away. That is when we'll get our freedom as a country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow.
Nigeria government, if they doubt me, Nigeria government don't have the power. Listen, Nigeria government don't have the power to release Nnamdi Kanu. They don't have the power. Nnamdi Kanu will come out the right day, and the day Nnamdi Kanu will rise Biafra flag up.
But you say the federal government doesn't have the power, so who now have the power? You know, I don't know. Is the federal government that will still give or the court that will still order? That's the court of Nigeria that will still order the release of Kanu.
Listen, do you know why I say Nigeria don't have the power? If me and you is fighting, you are beating me well. You understand me? You are beating me. The stage I will reach, I have more power than you. When I have my power, start beating you. Somebody from another place come support you. Support you yourself with those people that support you. Come press me down. Immediately press me down. Those people can go somewhere and start checking whether I will stand up. You as the person that has the power, do you think that place I sit in that will allow me to stand up? If I stand up, what do you see me? You see me as a threat to you.
Because you know you are coming back aggressive.
Revenge back. You will not allow me to come up. Nigeria government see Nnamdi Kanu as a threat. Do you understand me? Okay, look what happened when they start NSAS. After NSAS, what did they say? Nigeria government say they say Nnamdi Kanu caused that NSAS. Am I lying? Look at the one that happened for Yoruba land, Ujuduwa. What happened? They say it's Nnamdi Kanu people. They make Nigeria Yoruba to raise flag up. They see Nnamdi Kanu as a terror to them. That's why I said they no reach to release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu will come out the right day. And so Nnamdi Kanu to come out, Nnamdi Kanu will rise Biafra flag up. I myself, I believe that. Nnamdi Kanu will rise Biafra flag up. Nigeria government cannot release Nnamdi Kanu. If they doubt me, let them come outside, say that they will release Nnamdi Kanu. I challenge them. They don't have the power. They don't have the strength to release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu will come out the rise day. Immediately you come out, Biafra flag will rise up. Do you understand me? We'll rise. We'll be Nigeria. We are not begging Nigeria to release Nnamdi Kanu. That time has gone to beg Nigeria releasing Nnamdi Kanu. It's not now. That's why I tell you before, say, seeing everything have season. This is the season that Biafra will come out with force. And then Nnamdi Kanu will come out and rise Biafra flag up. All Biafra land. Peace will do what? peace will come. Those vampires or Demba and others, they will do what? They will run and leave east. You saw those governors minus Alledged. Do you understand? Minus Alledged. Those 5 governors we have in the southeast. Minus Alledged. At least Alledged make Igbo people proud. Alledged make Abia State proud. Alledged bring lights for Abia State. He showed that when Biafra come, we have the quality men, the materials. We'll do what? We'll make a Biafra to be like Australia. Because we know that Biafra will be a light for Nigeria and African continent.
But why do you think the Nigerian government, why do you think they don't release Kanu? Like, you understand, why is it that they are, I will not say they are not in an haste to release Kanu?
My brother, do you know problem Nigeria is having? Any day or any month, British remove hand for Nigeria government. Nigeria will see roads. Do you understand me? Any day British government remove hand for Nigeria government, Nigeria will see roads. Why I say that Nigeria don't have the strength to release Nnamdi Kanu? Because British hand is there. Guy, if you release Nnamdi Kanu, what you are eating, you cannot see it again. No? Do you understand me? If you release Nnamdi Kanu, this thing you are seeing, you cannot see it again. Nigeria government go say, hey, it's true. Omo Igbo lori buruku nie. Omo Igbo oshin. Fulani go say, Nnamdi, no trust in Nnamdi. And only that in Nnamdi and Omo Igbo will open your eyes. And British government see that if you allow those people come, Africa will not come London to serve them again. They no one do what is Africa's doing. God bless Africa. God bless Nigeria. God bless Biafra land. The British and France country, they say no. If I allow these people go, we go start for square. We are no. My brother, a white man, a British man cannot put hand what cannot gain. Look at what Putin said. Putin said that Biafra, Africa have everything to survive, but they don't believe themselves. You understand me? Putin say Africa have everything to succeed themselves, but they don't believe themselves. And it's truth. Nnamdi Kanu come outside, tell the whole Africa that guy he can survive. Look at Trump. Trump campaign. He said that if we as a president, as America, all Africa will do what? Go home. You understand? Britain didn't like that kind of thing. If Africa go, who go give them food? That's why I said that Nigeria don't have the strength to release Nnamdi Kanu. People that hold Nnamdi Kanu very ransom strongly is Britain. It's not Nigeria.
So some go talk saying at the north.
Eh?
The northern elders, like the northern people.
Why you say northerners? Listen, Britain cannot come openly. He will use people to get what they are looking for. Okay, look at when they want to do president election. Make sure any president will come out of Nigeria will never go Britain. Make sure them. Tulumbu go Britain. You know what Britain do? Britain still bring P2B. Before P2B come out, still go Britain. What are we talking about? to use and confuse people. And the Nigerians, millions of Nigerians, they are zombie. Fela called them zombie. Listen, the day Britain will know themselves, immediately Biafra will come out. Go, you see, Nigeria youth will rise up. They will splink like a fire. They will run more than bullets. You will see that Africa, Nigeria will do what? Will rise up. My brother, Nigeria and the governor of Imo State, they are not the one that are holding down the Kanu. It's Britain. 75 over 100 is a Britain. 20% is a Nigerian government. 10% is Muslim country that own Nnamdi. That's 100 people. The way I put it, that's the way the things happen. Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain. They swung Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria. Britain have right to suit Nigeria to court. Britain have the power to say, release this guy, he's our son.